All right, here we go. We got first dibs. We're going on a plane, Bales. We're going on an airplane. You gotta be a good girl. Hi. Go. Excuse me.
Hi there, how are you?
Here we are, Bales. All right, Bales. You can't sit there though. You gotta go on the floor. You gotta go on the floor. What are you looking at? What's out there? Where are you? Good job. Very talented. Very talented and brave, Bales. Yeah. Go up. Good girl. Good girl. What do you see? What do you see? Yeah, you're the coolest doggy in the world right now. Yep. A very cool doggy. Very special. Sleep now. Gotta take a nappies. Hey, oh, go. There you go. You got a whole bed now, Bales. A whole bed to yourself. All right, Bales, I'm full. It's time to go to sleep. Are you having a good time? Yeah, you are. The biz loves this.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing in Boston shortly. In preparation, please bring your seat back and tray table to their upright position. All electronics must now be unplugged from the seat power. Due to low visibility in Boston, we do need everyone to remain seated with their seatbelt fastened for the rest of the flight. We're going to come through one last time and collect any remaining service items. Flight attendants, please complete final cap preparations and be seated.
Good girl. Very good girl. You did a good job. Well done. Well done, Bales. Well done.
Welcome to Boston. The local time is approximately 4:19 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive at the gate and the fastened seatbelt sign has been turned off.
All right, Bales. You ready? Let's go. Come on. She's like, I'm never coming back here again. But she is.
Hi. Hi, doggy. Bye.
Alright, thank you. Good girl. Good girl, Bales. You did a good job.